Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia X10, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this phone. Now when you boot it up for the very first time straight out of the box, you'll be presented with this screen right over here, where you get to select your desired language using the drop-down menu. I'll be using English. And there we can choose Let's Go and connect to Wi-Fi network. Now this is not required, so you can skip it if you don't want to connect to anything. It gives you also pop-up right here that if you don't use a SIM card and you also don't connect to any kind of Wi-Fi, you won't have the option to log into your Google account, restore apps and data, get software updates, and automatically set up time and date. This only mentions it throughout the setup process. After the setup process is finished, you can change all the settings to your liking. You can connect to Wi-Fi later on if you want to, and everything will be basically changeable. So you can again log into Google account if you want to, if you haven't done that before. So I'll be skipping this for now, which okay, we have date and time, because I'm not connected to network, so I could fix it up if it's incorrect, or I could disregard it if I'm going to connect to network later on. Moving on to the next page, we have Google services like location scanning and sending user and diagnostic data. So if you don't want some of these, you can turn them off by just flipping the switch, then go to the next page, selecting accept. Now this will then allow us to set up a screen lock. So it automatically asks us if you want to set up a fingerprint, which if you choose to set up a fingerprint, it will first prompt you to choose a PIN. I'll be skipping it, and by skipping it, it also asks me if I want to set up a face unlock, and if I also skip this, keep in mind that a face unlock will also require a PIN. It will then tell me to just set up a PIN, and additionally, PIN isn't the only way you can unlock your device. You can select right here, screen lock options, and choose also from pattern or password if that is something that you prefer. And obviously, if you don't want to have any kind of protection, you can skip this too. Continue setup. Let's continue. Stay up to date, so get notifications from Nokia. I don't want that. I don't want them to send me spam, which will then take me to you're nearly ready to go. So location, basically location and HMD globals, experience programs. Okay, user experience programs automatically by no thanks. You can read exactly what these do, but just generally you don't lose anything by enabling this or disabling it. You just lose privacy. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.